You're welcome back to our channel. Here we talk about how you can make more money online. We talk about skills development, how you can acquire more skills to be able to position yourself and your business. We also talk about a lot of things that has to do with your career advancement. Some people have asked to find out about Appen. Some time ago we tried to show you how you can earn money on Appen as an independent consultant. Yeah, so basically what I want to do is to take our time again to show you more about it. If you are not signed up, it's very easy. You come to appen.com. If you come to appen.com, you just click join our crowd and you quickly just sign up. Very easy. And when you sign up, you create an account and just follow the prompts. You'll be able to do it. It's not difficult. If you've already done that, and we have some videos on that, so you can just check. We'll put the link in the description of this video on how you can be able to do all of that. Now, what I want to just show you is if you log in, they have updated their platform. These are all the areas that you will see in your account. Under projects is where you can be able to see projects that you can get into and of course be able to make some money. So here we have three categories of projects. We have projects, higher paying tasks that take longer to complete but pay higher. Quick tasks you may just do very quickly and you'll be able to get quick money, and you can even do it in one sitting. And of course you have data collection. Data collection is something that will require you to, you can also earn fast by completing easy tasks, and you can even do it on your phone. So these are all the kind of tasks that you can be able to do on this platform. Let's just explore these opportunities. So on the higher paying tasks that can take a little longer for you to be able to get there is this one here. And the goal of this project, this wheat project, the goal of this project is to be able to enhance technology. So if I click on it, it gives me all the details. Yeah, so, and I also have another one here. This one is a linguistic project that will involve you having that ability to get there. So basically, if you click apply, then they will check your profile and know whether you qualify. And this one gives you $7 per hour, which is also good money. Yeah, so that is how this works. That's how it works. So if we go back again to quick task, we can be able to see tasks that you can do very quickly and be able to earn money very quickly. For example, this is a market research job and this can give you 3 cents per task. This one here is a supplier locations where users input address, and this can give you 36 cents per task. And of course you know how this works. It accumulates. The more you do, the more the money accumulates. This is business relationships research. This one can give you $148 per cent. Many of these tasks can be done remotely, but every now and then there are tasks that you need to be on ground to be able to do them. So that's basically how Pen works. That's how it works. Data collection are tasks that you can also do. You can even do it on your mobile, quite easy. This one gives you $3 per task, and of course you can earn more. These are some of the ways you can earn money on this platform on a daily basis. As well as they have more projects, they upload them here, and that then you can be able to come and be able to earn more here. Remember that 2024 is the year you need to get up and you need to make more, and you need to update yourself, upgrade yourself, enhance your skills, money making skills, your innate skills. And on our channel we are looking at it from all angles. We are interested in helping you grow your career. We're interested in helping you grow your business, interested in helping you develop as a human being, and that is all that we try to do on this channel. So I hope you give Appen a trial. Yes, give it a trial and look at the one that best suits you. By the time you sign up or you log in, there might be other projects that I didn't mention now, and then you can now go deeply into those projects and be able to have more information. I wish you luck. We must also say clearly that Appen is not sponsoring us. We are simply sharing opportunities on this platform. I wish that 2024 will be your year to actually get going, of course, be able to hammer it there. I'm your business coach, Charles Nwahiwe. Let's do this again in the next video. Bye for now.